Hi everyone, it's your boy Ofensele Doba. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel again. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and click the notification button so that you can be able to get more of these videos. Today it's a great day, sunny day, and I just came to see my boys. We will be analyzing the charts. Please stay tuned, you'll be able to enjoy this video. Basically, what we'll be sharing today is the things that we didn't know before getting to forex trading, our forex journey, and each of my friends will be able to share their experiences and why you should trade forex and what has really changed in the level they are now and when they were just beginners before they became advanced professional traders. In short, my experience as Ofensele Doba, what I've noticed is that forex is not a get rich quick scheme. Often we get into certain businesses just to get a quick buck, while not putting into our minds that there's challenges, there's obstacles. But then once you master those obstacles, you are able to understand that the level that you'll be able to achieve is greater than being away from the chances that you have to take, the opportunities, fearing to take risks in life, because you were not just born to live and die. You understand? You have to understand that you were not just born to pay bills and die. You were born to be great. You are a winner. I believe you are. And as much as forex trading has changed my life, I learned the things like stop loss, risk management, psychology. What I understood is that forex trading prepared me to be a great entrepreneur and be able to understand that in each and every business there's losses. The water bill that you pay on monthly basis, the electricity, the salaries, there are overheads in your business which enables you to be able to understand that before you can say this is my profit, you have to pay those things first, which is happening in forex trading. I believe the losses are the ones that make you become a better trader. Less losses or more losses or blowing accounts is a thing of the past when you join my Forex Heroes premium course. And today I'll be sharing with 3 other friends of mine. They'll be telling us what has really changed their life in forex trading, why, and the things that they didn't know, how do they know them, and how those things grew them to be better traders, professional traders. With me here I have Ofense, the owner and founder of Billionaire Mindset. He'll share his experiences and tell us why and what are the things that he didn't know before trading forex, his forex journey. With me here I have Ofense, the owner of Billionaire Mindset. He'll share his experiences and tell you guys about the forex journey and the things that he didn't know before getting into forex trading. Please share with the people the things that you didn't understand before getting to forex trading. Share with the people your forex journey.
I thought forex was a get-rich scheme fast, which in the long run I found out that it's not like that. You need to work you need to work yourself to the top. I thought maybe forex I can fund today and make money. Unfortunately, it went south for me because of I blew a lot of accounts because of I thought it was a get-rich quick scheme, which is not. Guys, please do your researches. Make sure you know your information. Like, the internet is free now, guys. The internet is free now. You can buy, I think, 1 gig for like maybe $10 or something. Go to YouTube. There's a lot of videos, helpful videos. Like Ofense said, he has his own course. You can join the course. He can be your mentor. Everything you don't understand and all, you can just, ask. And don't forget to subscribe to his channel. You can comment, ask whatever you want to know about forex. But what I'm going to tell you guys is that you need to know what you are doing before entering the trading industry.
Okay, thank you, Ofense, for powerful words. Guys, the links to the friends that I have on will be on the description below. Please follow them, subscribe, and get much more forex trading content. With me here I have Botshelelo Sello, one of our friends. He'll be sharing with us powerful words about the things that he didn't know before getting into forex trading. Botshelelo Sello, please share with the people your forex journey and the things that you didn't know then and the things that you know now that made you to become a powerful professional trader. Botshelelo Sello,
What's up, guys? This is your boy Butelo Solo. So, the things I didn't know is that you need to work hard. You need to put in the extra hours in order for you to know or to master the forex trading. That's one thing you should know, guys, that it's a lot of work, but if you prepared for it, you can work. And the other things I didn't know is about pairs. So what I did is I back tested some of the pairs. So now I can trade them, and the pairs that I back tested and they didn't go well, I don't trade them anymore. And I also know about the news. I know that pair, like maybe for example GBP USD, I know that pair, if the news come, it moves heavily. So pairs like that I really don't trade. So thank you, guys.
Thank you, Butelo, for powerful words. One thing I like to emphasize, like Butelo mentioned, is that you don't need to trade the whole big forex market. You need to identify the forex that you understand. Study them day in, day out. You understand? That will make you become a better trader, because you tend to look at 28 pairs and they often cloud your judgment because you cannot follow them day in, day out. Focus on a pair that you fully understand and be able to be better at it and be able to capitalize and be a profitable trader. Hey, Butelo, where's Lisiba?
I think he's in his room.
Okay, he's sleeping. Okay, now we're gonna check out my other friend Lisiba Mtupi. I think he's still sleeping. You know, we don't sleep. We're always hustling 24/7. So I think he just had a long day. Hey, yo, bro.
Oh,
Hey, what's up?
I'm good. I can't complain, Joe.
Yeah, I'm okay, man. I'm okay.
Hey, cameras, what's happening?
Hey, please, Lisiba, just share with the people the things that you didn't know in forex trading, but then you know now your forex journey as a whole, and you becoming a profitable professional trader. How has it helped you in the long run? Please just share with the people the great ideas that you have in your mind.
Oh no, firstly, I would like to say, Offense, you've been a good friend to me. I'd like to say thank you so much for featuring me on your, YouTube channel. It means a lot, to really be here, even though I did wake up now, I had a long day, I've been hustling all day. But, I just have to make sure that I manage to give the people as much value as possible, so they can be able to accept the knowledge that they have got. But yeah, and also guys, make sure that you do like and subscribe to his YouTube channel, as he does share, a lot of valuable information. I respect that a lot. I watch his YouTube videos and so on. So yeah, the question that you did ask, things that I never knew before I got into the forex market. Firstly, I never knew that the forex market was like easy, but in a difficult way. So someone would be like, easy, what do you mean the forex market is easy? What do you mean it's difficult? What is it that you're trying to say? I never knew that the forex market was easy in a difficult way, meaning that if you want it to be difficult, it will be difficult for you. But if you want and go out there to make it easy, it can be easy for you. Most importantly, what you need to focus on is you being able to focus more on the mindset of things, on the psychological things. Because, I was focusing more on the money side. I was focusing more on the strategy, on which most people focus more on the strategy. But once I did get to, align my mindset on, the psychology, it started, yes, it's difficult because you have to put in all the work before the rewards. But, at the end, it becomes easy because all the difficulty becomes, a step that you are now used to. The difficulty is something that you are now used to a point that it becomes easy, So that's one thing that I never knew, and I knew that, along the way, I had to learn it the hard way. So instead of you having to pay a lot of money for courses and so on, you can be able, to just stick to this YouTube channel and be able to get this valuable information, or just literally just go into, the description box and you will see the links that he did share. He does have a course at a very affordable price where you can get and understand some of the things that we speak about. Not only that, guys, I thought that, the forex market was super expensive to start. I thought you needed thousands of dollars to be involved in the forex market, up until I saw people were depositing $5, $10 and so on. Only some of the people out there do know that, my first forex trading account, it was only $22. And that has enabled me to open multiple businesses along the way. But yeah, I think that's something that I can leave you guys with. Obviously, you can check me out on Instagram, Lisiba_Steez. Not only that, I do have a YouTube channel, Lisiba Mtupi. You guys can also check it out. And without me speaking much, because I can spend the whole day talking about this topic, but I'll just pass the mic off to Offense, my guy.
Thank you, Lisiba, the founder of Forex Chasers. Powerful words, guys. You need to understand that whenever you get into forex trading, you need to be prepared that it's not gonna be easy ride. You just not gonna start today and be a millionaire tomorrow. You need to face those obstacles. You need to prepare your mind. Like we say, get the right strategy. We offer free content on this YouTube channel. Please do not forget to like and subscribe. And Ofentse, the founder of Billionaire Mindset as well, and Botelo Sello, the founder of Ultimate Trading Institution. Please do not forget to like and subscribe for valuable forex trading content. Guys, we appreciate you. You are winners, and we would like to emphasize that be prepared. Challenges are there. There is never big rewards without challenges. So whenever you see that you feel like giving up, you can take courses that you will be able to understand and make sure you master the psychology, because if you're gonna focus only on the money side, the money will come and go. But once you focus on the skill and the strategy that you'll be trading and master it, you'll be able to understand that in forex trading, follow the knowledge first, the money will follow you, and it will follow you to an extent whereby you'll be able to understand that I'm glad I didn't give up. So one day you'll be able to stand and say, I'm glad I didn't give up on myself. So if you're an upcoming trader, please do not forget to join my course. We offer the strategies that enable you to be consistent and be profitable. We also give guidance into the psychology, be able to master your mindset so that you can be able to understand and accept losses. One thing that makes most traders lose is because they tend to chase trades. Chasing trades or revenge trades. Revenge trades are a type of trades whereby you take by just losing and then you keep on coming back into the market. So basically with the psychology, the risk management, we help you to be a better trader, makes you understand that in forex trading, it's a normal business which you have losses, but one thing that makes us be able to be profitable is that we make sure our wins are more than our losses. Thank you for tuning in, guys. I appreciate you. You are winners. My YouTube channel is here, Ofentse Ledoba. Please do not forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends. Your boy Ofentse signing out.